Hello friends, now I am discussing the next question which is based on the pointer, and this question came in the UGC Net exam 2010. This exam 2010. But before discussing this particular question, I will discuss some concept related to the pointers and somewhat the concept related to the strings and characters. To understand those concepts, I have taken a very simple program. You can see the program written here, this particular program I am talking about. Before discussing this particular question, I will discuss this particular program, then I will discuss some concept related to this. Okay, now if you see this particular question, here I have written void main char c is equal to small a, which is written in single inverted commas, printf percentage c space percentage d comma c comma c. What will be the output of this particular program? If we see this particular program, I have declared c as a character and stored the value a in this character variable c. Then what does it mean? It simply means that c will be storing the ASCII value of a. C will be storing the ASCII value of small a, and the ASCII value of small a is simply 97. That is, if we talk about this particular program, then the character c will be storing the ASCII value of a, that is 97. Got it? Now when we have written the printf percentage of c percentage of d c comma c, then what will be the output? It is saying that print the value of c in character format. That is, it will print the output as small a. And what it is saying that print the value of c in decimal format. That is, the value stored in c, that is the character which is stored in c, should be stored in decimal format. That is, the ASCII value of c will be printed here, and the output will be simply 97. Got it? That is, we understand from this program that if we are storing a character in a particular variable, let's say here we have stored it in a variable c, then its ASCII value is stored. Its ASCII value is stored here. Okay, the output is a and 97. Now if I change this particular program and I write like this, for example, if I simply write, for example, I say void main, and then I write, for example, char c is equal to a. Okay, c is equal to a, and I write c is equal to c plus 1, and I write, for example, printf percentage of c percentage of d comma c comma c. What will be the output of this program? As we know that c is storing the variable and the character a, that is, c will store the ASCII value of a, that is, the ASCII value of a is 97, which will be stored in c. By this statement, the ASCII value of a will be stored in the variable c. After that, I have written c is equal to c plus 1. It means it will add 1 to the ASCII value of a stored in c. That is, it simply means that c will be equal to c plus 1. This means that the ASCII value stored in c should be incremented by 1. That is, the ASCII value stored in c is 97, which is the ASCII value of a. That 97 will be increased by 1, and in the c we will get the value 98, which is the ASCII value of small b. When we will write printf percentage c percentage d c comma c, then the output of this c will be simply b, and the other output of c will be 98. That is, when we increase by 1 in the value of c, it simply increases the ASCII value by 1. Previously, the ASCII value stored in C is 97, which is the ASCII value of A. That is increased by 1 and it becomes 98. Okay. That's why the 98 is the ASCII value of B. 98 is the ASCII value of B. Hence, the output of this will be B and 98. Got it? Now, if I change this particular statement like this, simply I change like this, for example, I write here, for example, not this. I write, like, say, for example, I am changing some particular values. If I write the statement like this, C is equal to A as a character plus 1, then also it will print the same output as the previous one. Why? Because it is saying in C, assign the value of character A plus 1. That is, the character A plus 1 means that the ASCII, that is, we increment the character A by 1. That is, we are incrementing the ASCII value of A by 1. And ASCII value of A is 97. And it is incremented by 1. That means it will come out to be 98. And 98 will be assigned to C. And this 98 is the ASCII value of simply the small alphabet B. Hence, the output will come again percentage of C, that is, print the character value of C, that is the ASCII, that is the character value of 98, that is B, and simply the value of C, that is 98. This will be the output. Got it? Now, clearing this concept, we have come to know that when we increase by 1 or by 2 any character value, its ASCII value is incremented, and when we print it by percentage C, then its character value will be printed, and by percentage its ASCII value will be printed. Got it? Now, if we see the above question, here I use the concept of simply pointers. So I will discuss you the above question now.